welcome to the channel. Bob here. Today we are cooking a jambalaya, so stay tuned. Got some olive oil in the pan heating up, and we're going to add some bacon lardons. These are smoked bacon lardons. Get them all out there. Let's get these going. Smoked pork sausage. Get all that in there. Give that a mix around. Coach in all the oils. Two teaspoons of Cajun spice mix. Give that a stir in. Roughly half a packet of cooked rice. Just breaking it up as I get it out of the packet. In fact, we'll put a lot in. Looks about right to me. I'll break that up a bit. Get that infused with the spices. A little bit of water. So I am going to add some celery and also some pepper, and some onion, finely chopped. I think we're going to need a little bit more water in as well. So give that a turn over. Garlic, roughly, it's about half. That'll do. Give that a mix in. And also a tin of chopped tomatoes. As well as a nice dollop of tomato paste. Give it some flavour. Mix all that in. Now don't forget the rice is already cooked. If the rice wasn't cooked, you'd be needing to put a little bit more water in than that's in there. So I'm just going to mix all that in. I'm going to put the lid on it and give it about 10 minutes and come back to it and have a look. Add a few chili flakes, give it a bit of a kick, not a lot. Stir, make sure we're not sticking to the bottom. Everything's looking good, doesn't look like we're burning at all. I'm just going to go in with another couple of teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Give that a stir in. As I say, I've got the simmering on, it's fully open, so the jets are covered. I'm just going to add a splash more water. Give that a mix in. Come back to it shortly. Been on about 30 minutes now. Just going to drop in some prawns. These are raw prawns, you can use cooked ones, but I haven't got any cooked ones, so raw ones will have to do. Just going to stir those in and give them a good 5, probably 10 minutes to cook through the residual heat that's in the pan. See how we go. First time I've cooked this, by the way, so wish me luck. Jambalaya with smoked pork sausage and king prawns. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe if you find anything useful about this video, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.